I like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we can play tag.
I got too many hoes. And yeah, you like to put that shit in your nose.
Okay, y'all, so welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys, and today's video. Can you come on? Today's video is gonna be an after school vlog. I just came back from school, so I'm gonna do a school vlog, and now I'm at the mall right now. So yeah, y'all can call me. So yeah, I need me a new silly stick. What is the thing called to hold my phone? Cause I'm tired of holding with my hand. It's if you have my hand hurt. But yeah.
I like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we can play tag. Red, please pick me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house.
I really went to like 3 or 2 different stores. I can still find it. Like, I found some really cute, but I couldn't, cause I want to find me some piece of jewelry, some necklaces or something. But they ain't giving. But my sister, she can go get some food. I don't know what food place she want, but we can get some food. So yeah. Can I get the grwm fries with the bacon? The oatmeal. And then yo, I just came back. I got my food. I had some loaded fries. And yeah, it looks so good, y'all. Hey y'all, so now we're in the store. I don't know what I'm gonna buy, but I just need some gum. I get another thing. We got drinks at home, so I'm just getting some peppermints. So yeah, we're gonna go to the movies. We're gonna go see Barbie because today is Sunday, and it's a rest day. So we're just gonna go to the movies and have a little fun with our friends and stuff. And I think we're gonna see Barbie. And yeah, so I put my hair in a ponytail. I did my edges, and I got on a little sweatsuit and like some shorts or something because it's gonna be really cold in the movies. So I don't understand why I wouldn't wear a sweatshirt. But yeah, so I'm gonna take y'all with us to go to the movies. I think we're gonna do something else. I don't know what else we're gonna do. Maybe that's what we got for doing right now. So yeah, so I'll catch y'all back when we're at the movies. Hey y'all, so we are at the movies, y'all. It's so packed. Let me see y'all real quick. Y'all see how packed it is? Yo, this girl keep on saying 32 views.
Don't show me.
I'm gonna try to change 70 views she get.
I finna report your thing.
Yeah, you can be watching videos over and over again. Okay, you can record it, still be up, hun. Still gonna be up. Now I'm report yours. Y'all see how packed it is? It goes therefore. But yeah, I finna we walking to the movies right now, and this is my fit. Little fit in the movies because I ain't going out like that. You know what I'm saying? No, it is so. Y'all see? Packs. Yeah, I'll catch y'all back when we in the movies.
Every good thing in this world started with a dream. Dreaming can be anything. And this has been reflected back onto the little girls of today in the real world. Girls can grow into women who can achieve everything and anything they set their mind to. Thanks to Barbie, all problems of feminism and equal rights have been solved.
This is a good.
At least, that's what the Barbies think. After all, they're living in Barbie land. Who am I to burst their bubble?
Like your style, if that was really a mirror, you see a perfect smile.
Title of long-term distance, casual, low commitment girlfriend mean nothing. What do?
We beach every individual one of them off. Take advantage of the morning waves.
But not so early, because we're gonna want to sleep in.
Right. But what will we fight with? We have no guns. Tennis rackets and volleyballs.
And slap fights.
And beach offs.
Look, I was still recording my YouTube channel. Yo, this my favorite. Like, this smells so good. I deodorant this. This smells so good. It smells like lotion or something. And this the body wash. It smells good. I like some open this already. Yeah. Hey y'all, so now we at Target, and I didn't know they had Starbucks. I didn't know they had this Starbucks, but yeah. So we just watched Barbie. It was good. Yeah, I expected better, but yeah. So I'm finna go look for the self-care products. Yo, they got the CeraVe. Yeah, I want to focus my camera. I wouldn't even focus like. Hey, there it go. But yeah, this is the CeraVe. We got the CeraVe, and it smells so good. Look at all these, y'all. Like, this is my dream makeup thing. They got some mascara. Y'all know I love me some mascara. But this is the self-care thing. Yo, I ain't never had the Naive. What is this? Ain't never had Naive facial cleanser. Yo, so this is what I got now. I'm still waiting to get some else. Y'all, look at this eye. Lotion. Yo, they got these face masks. I think it's a face mask. These pink clay face masks. Yeah, these kind of look good. This smells good too. Y'all see this is what I got now? Yeah, this smells good too. So good. If y'all did not know, my favorite color is pink. So I love me some pink. Now I'm trying to find my sister's shirt. Feels good. I bet this smells good. The cotton candy. I bet this smells good.